So in the previous discussion, so we are discussing about the BTP administration part. So many of the knows what is BTP, right? It's a technology platform, business technology platform here. It's a platform as a service based concept. SAP introduced this powerful tool in 2021. Actually, so they have entered into the PaaS market earlier itself, but they have rebranded their product in 2021. Officially, they have rebranded and they have introduced it like a BTP, Business Technology Platform. So before we go discuss about the BTP, so let's see. So there is a one of the offering package from SAP is called the Rise with SAP concept. Rise with SAP concept here. So what is this Rise with SAP concept here? Right? In 2020, early means in Jan 2021, SAP introduced this offering package is called the Rise with SAP concept, which means in this offering package, you have the one license, one contract, one price. With this concept, SAP entered into the market. SAP entered into the market here. So what exactly it contains? What exactly in this offering package it contains here, right? So this contract, one offer for business was introduced by SAP in the beginning of the year 2021. It's a marketed with the name of Rise with SAP here. In this bundle consists of the S4HANA Cloud Suite and Business Technology Platform. So BTP will comes under the Rise with SAP, one of the offering package only here. Like it's kind of a S4HANA Cloud and also SAP BTP Business Technology Platform consumption and also the business network here, right? Business network and also BPI Business Process Intelligent. Business Process Intelligent here. So these all are the offering packages from the SAP here. These all are the offering packages from the SAP here, right? One is the S4HANA Cloud. In the cloud also we have the deployment model like private cloud and public cloud. BTP, which we are going to discuss, and business network. And also we have the BPI, business process intelligence here. So Rise with SAP, many of the SAP customer already gone live. As we know, many of the customers already gone live on the Rise with SAP contract. So many of them, they are also in progress. They are going to soon here. So SAP well documented each and every step in the Rise with SAP here. So here, what are the offering packages? As we discussed, these are the main four packages they have clubbed into the one platform, Rise with SAP. The tools also they have like BPI custom code analyzer, so readiness check reports, and also the softwares like S4HANA Cloud, BTP Services, and platform, cloud related platform. These all are they have included here, which means with one package you will simply get, so you will simply get everything, means one umbrella you will get the bulk features from SAP, list of services, applications, everything you will get like operating system, databases, so and also infrastructure, security, network, everything. It makes easier to operations easy and everything here. One less LA supporting experience, each and everything will be provided by the SAP here, right? So as I mentioned here, there are the different deployment models are available here. One is the public cloud, that is called the S4HANA SaaS deployment here, right? S4HANA SaaS deployment here. So SaaS deployment here. Second one is the private cloud. It's a PaaS deployment here. It's a S4HANA private cloud and public cloud here. It's a S4HANA private cloud and public cloud here. It's a PaaS deployment model and SaaS deployment model here, right? So typically, maybe many of members are aware of this cloud terminology like PaaS, SaaS, and also There is a one more terminology is called the infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service based concept here, right? So infrastructure as a service based concept here. Okay. So here before we go for that one, so let's discuss about the some more information about the this cloud terminologies. Cloud terminologies here, right? So normally many of members knows about the this cloud terminology here, right? Cloud terminology means it's very simple. Like so we have the uh, hyper what is cloud computing. They're the main cloud services called the IaaS and also PaaS and also the SaaS here, right? IaaS means infrastructure as a service based concept here, which means so renting a computer in the cloud, which means you will get the basic networking, virtual server, storage, network, all those things here. So your customer to decide what applications you need to run, what databases you need to run here. So it's giving you freedom to build or manage your own digital space without worrying about the physical hardware. Means here the multiple infrastructure providers. Infrastructure providers means maybe so here we have the infrastructure providers like AWS, Azure, GCP, and some other cloud providers. They will provide the infrastructure to us. They will provide the infrastructure to us here. So this infrastructure provider, so they will provide the infrastructure. So in the IaaS model, they will only provide the infrastructure. Here, customer is responsible to so run the applications or database, their own software on this infrastructure here, right? So when it goes to the PaaS model, platform as a service based concept here, platform as a service offering, it's a ready-made platform. It's a ready-made platform for the application development, handling the underlying infrastructure. And so everything means you just pick up the service, just to configure it, just you can focus on the coding part and everything. You no need to worry about the service and applications or everything here, right? It's a ready-made kitchen, ready to use kitchen instead of building one from the scratch. It's a ready to use kitchen here. So that model BTP also comes under the PaaS model here. Okay, PaaS model, platform as a service based concept here. Next one is the SaaS model here. SaaS model means software as a service concept here. Here you can access and use the software over the internet. There is no need for installation and anything here. Just to use the software. Software also managing by the SAP infrastructure, softwares, everything. Only data is yours. Means it's a SaaS model like Gmail, Google Docs, and more online. So tools that comes under the SaaS model here. Software as a service based concept here. Here mainly who will provide for every model infrastructure is required. So that infrastructure will be provided by the this infra providers like AWS, Azure, GCP, and some other cloud infrastructure providers. They will provide you the so infrastructure providers here, right? So and also you should understand the what is mean by so public cloud and private cloud. What is mean by public cloud, private cloud here? Why? Because these all are the things will comes under the BTP. So before that, we should understand the public cloud and private cloud models as well here. So public cloud means the cloud services are offering mainly so public cloud, private cloud. Some people are like a hybrid cloud here. Means it's a public, it's a many, the cloud system is assigned to the many customers here. It's in the public model, which means it's assigned to the many customers here, right? The resources are shared, but the data is separated from the each other customer. Public cloud means suppose like if you say the CPU, rent, memory, everything, it is shared, but data is yours. Data only is yours here. Your computer resources like CPU, memory, hardware, network, everything is shared. only the data is yours. That comes under the public cloud. Private cloud means here, so it's assigned to the one-to-one customer here. Means the infra, the cloud system, cloud resources are assigned to the one customer only. So it's not by shared by anyone. Only dedicated environment is assigned to you, right? Assigned to the you or your customer here. That's we will call it as the private cloud. Public cloud means everything is shared. Only data is separated from the each other. But private cloud is here. So it's a organizations, it's dedicated cloud environment here. So dedicated cloud environment here. That's we will call it as the private cloud here, public cloud and private cloud here. So now let's come to the BTP now, the actual thing. Why? Because BTP comes under the platform as a service based concept. Why? Because the SAP in 2021, John, they have rebranded their service from the SAP Cloud Platform to BTP, right?
Hi,
Sir, can you
hi,
give me?
Narendra.
Yes,
Your voice is breaking. Can't hear you properly, I think.
voice is
Is it me or with
again.
everyone?
No,
Your voice
Ravindra,
is
No,
sir's
we can
breaking.
voice is
hear it.
clear. Yeah,
Clear,
sir's
yes.
voice is clear.
It's clear, Ravi.
It's clear
Okay,
for
thank
me
you.
as well.
Yeah, it's clear.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So in 2021, SAP introduced this powerful naming convention is called the Business Technology Platform. So, but it's a new platform they have introduced in the 2021. No. So they have 2012 itself. So if I go a little bit more history about the BTP, so how they have rebranded means, so in 2012 itself, they have entered into the PaaS market. They have entered into the PaaS market. That time, that product is called the SAP NetWeaver Cloud. SAP NetWeaver Cloud. The code is called the Neo platform. SAP Neo. The short name is like Neo. Neo means NetWeaver on demand. So with their NetWeaver product, so they have entered into the PaaS market in 2012 itself. After that, the NetWeaver Cloud in 2013, the SAP, the NetWeaver Cloud, they have renamed to the SAP HANA Cloud Platform here, SAP HANA Cloud Platform. So then, so the time they have introduced the environment, some other new functionalities and everything. So and also they have renamed, they have dropped HANA word, they have dropped HANA word and they have make it as a SAP Cloud Platform, SAP Cloud Platform in 2017. So then after that, they have introduced the multiple environments, multiple services to their environment SAP Cloud Platform. But so in 2021, they have rethinked and they have designed like, so they have not only providing the cloud related services, but the name is like a SAP Cloud Platform, SCP, but they're providing more than that. So that's why officially they have retired they have retired support for the HANA Cloud Platform. They have rebranded and introduced a new brand name is called the SAP BTP Business Technology Platform. So it provides the extended functionality, but the core is still equivalence to the formerly known as the cloud platform. So it's not a just one-to-one replacement of the cloud platform. Just to make easier to the customer, they are not only providing the cloud services, they are providing more than that, like tools, application development, databases, many things they are providing. That's why they have introduced a new brand name called the BTP Business Technology Platform here. So that's why the new name comes into the picture in the BTP. So under this platform as a service based concept, so they are offering they are offering means they have almost 80 plus services they have introduced in this BTP solutions here. So BTP is like a technology platform. It's a platform as a based concept. They have introduced this brand, but as I mentioned in earlier, all their services, applications, development, databases, many services they have so introduced in the BTP platform. Are their services and solutions they have categorized into the 5 main pillars in the BTP. 5 main pillars in the BTP here. So means all the services, solutions they have categorized into the 5 main pillars here. One is the application development related thing. Application development means all the development related applications, tools, services under this pillar. The second one is like a automation kind of functionalities are under this pillar here. The third one is like a integration suite, integration related functionality services are under this pillar, right? And also the databases and the analytics. So the databases and analytics are here. The fifth one, which they have recently introduced, is called the AI, artificial intelligence related services like AI core, AI launchpad, generative AI, business services. They have introduced in this pillar. So earlier it was only 4 pillars. Now the fifth pillar, AI related services, they have introduced it here. Sorry, everything is okay. BTP is a platform, as a concept. Everything is under categorized. So everything is available under the cockpit. So just we can pick up, we can use the service directly. We can concentrate on the logic instead of installing configuration hardware and everything that we can understand. But who will get benefit? Who will get benefit? Where can I see the all the listed BTP services? Who will get benefits? Sir, you mentioned like application development, automation, integration, databases, and intelligence related services. Where can I see all these services for my business? So if you go to the SAP Discovery Center, as if you go to the SAP Discovery Center here we can see the all the services. Here we can see the all the services, tools, whatever they are providing, including the pricing option also we can see under the Discovery Center. The SAP Discovery Center, we can see it here. If you go to the BTP services here, so here you can see the AI related, the application development related. So all the services like ABAP, event miss. So there the 87 plus services are available here. So all are the development, some of the transports, some of the applications, databases, right? So many things are available here. ADS service, event mesh, integration suite. So there are many services are available here in this location. Print service here, AI related services, build services, Sybase, analytics cloud, Sybase here, SAP introduced 2 databases in this case here. One is the Sybase and second one is the SAP HANA Cloud DataSphere. So the many 87 services it's available. Just customer to pick up that service and they can use that service for their business. Here you can see the pricing option also, how the pricing and everything here. Here you can observe the pricing model also, how the pricing model, who is the infrastructure provider and what is the licensing model for BTP and everything they have available here. Right? Discovery Center we can find out here. So that's why earlier it is only cloud platform. That's why they have rebranded their product to the SAP to the BTP Technology Platform. Why? Because it's a technology for the everything under one umbrella. You have everything is available. Tools, services, applications, so databases, everything, intelligent services, everything is available under one umbrella. So that's why. So it is benefit for the new customers, and also the existing customers also it's benefit. Sir, how this will benefit to the new customers and existing customers here, right? So suppose there is one organization, one customer is there. he is new to SAP, he wants to build a new cloud solution or some mobile solutions, he want to build it. In this solution, they need to integrate multiple ecosystems, multiple systems. They need to automate the business process. So they need to incorporate the new technologies and many things they need to integrate it here, right? For that one, he need the, suppose he want to build the one of the SAP application, what he need to do? He need to go with the hardware procurement, then operating system, on top of database, SAP application. You need to build all those things and support model. So maintenance, licenses, many things you need to do. That is the cost offensive, and also the timing. It's a take the time procedure also here. And also the existing customers, he wants to extend their solutions to the cloud solution. Already SAP systems are there. They want to go for the cloud solutions here. So the customers need services to integration between the systems on premises and also the cloud cloud solutions, success factor, Ariba, marketing cloud, the many cloud SAP solutions are there. They want to integrate. Then in that case, the existing customer, they want to extend their business solutions. The new customer, they want to build the solution. In the both the case, organizations wants to build a new solution with minimum effort, low cost, and faster time to gain the market here, right? Why? Because sometimes you see some customers, they don't want to spend the more money, things to the timings, landscape setup, installations, configuration, maintenance, and everything, right? So in that case, BTP is the one of the stop shop for the whatever you need. All the listed services, everything is available under one umbrella, so that it will helpful to the existing customers and also the new customers. The BTP is means the BTP services and solutions are available here. It's a offering package. It's a offering package from SAP. It's a portfolio of the SAP, all the solution services that are brought under one umbrella. So by using these BTP services and solutions, it will help organizations to build a new cloud solutions, extend the SAP systems here, right? It's a bundle of, one word I can say, like it's a bundle of many different services, tools, services that are used to innovate the applications and innovate the development applications, use the enterprise applications. So some of the automate the process and everything, we can use the this business process and everything, we can use it here, right? It's a help. BTP helps you can focus on the business logic. Suppose example, suppose one customer, they want to use the ADS functionality. What you need to use? You need to have the infrastructure procurement. Then you need to on top of the hardware, you need to install the operating system. Then database, he has to install it here. Then SAP NetWeaver application, he has to install it here. On top of the ADS functionality, he has to use it here. To get this one, so you need to purchase the hardware licensing, operating system licensing, then also the databases, application, the ADS, these many licenses, separate installation, we have to do that one, configuration, setup, and separate support team for the maintenance activities and support activities. So separate physical data center or one of the AWS, one of the infrastructure providers, you can leverage it for the hardware. So you need this kind of things. But to avoid this kind of things, it's time taking for the installation configuration. Then finally you focus on the business logic after some months, right? But if you use the BTP provided ADS service, it's already pre-configured. Just to use the, go to the discovery center, use the BTP related service, then you can use the, simply just to pick up that service, then start focus on the business logic and everything, which means you no need to install, configure hardware, everything. You no need to worry about that one. Just to pick that service, ready to use kitchen, pick that service and go ahead and cook that food. That's it. You no need to build the kitchen and make the all the infrastructure ready. Then cooking items, everything should be ready. Then go ahead and cook it. So you just go ahead, to cook the food. That's it. That is the main thing of the BTP. So everything is available. Whatever we have, it's required. Everything is available. So this way, customer is reducing the infrastructure cost, support cost, maintenance cost, everything is reducing. So it's a one license, one contract perspective. All the services, everything is available for the users here, right? All the development, everything. That's why customers are focusing on the BTP related services and everything here. Nowadays, if you see the integration suite for the CPI, PO interfaces, integrations, there are CPI, they are using integration suite. Say one-stop shop for the whatever you need, everything is available in the BTP. But there is also a pricing model for the BTP. It's not like a free to use it here. There is a pricing model. This technology model, there is a pricing model here. So they are the two offering pricing models for this one here. One is the subscription based model. So one is the subscription based model is available here. Second one is called the consumption based model. Subscription based, consumption based model is available here, right? CPEA. In this way, again, we have the CPEA and the pay as you go model is available, right? Consumption based model and the subscription based model is available here, right? So these are the two models are available. I can explain detailed about these models, benefits for the which model is in our real classes. So I can go more on this way. That's okay. These are the licensing model here, right? So it's a bundle of many services under one umbrella. One word. So bundle of many services, tools, databases, applications under one umbrella. It's a technical foundation of the entire SAP ecosystems, and it's playing a very critical role for the all the customers and partners. Playing a very critical role for the all the customers and partners here, right? So the main important thing is here. So rise with SAP concepts and their offering packages. And in that BTP, one of the offering package in that BTP, what we are going to discuss in our real classes. Then what is rise with SAP? First of all, in that like what is the licensing model, pricing model, and on-demand services, and what are the most frequent services are using by the customers here. So in that case, so if you see the in that BTP, this is our course content regularly, which we will we will discuss with you in our regular daily classes here. The first of all, the overview about the BTP, rise with SAP concepts, and what is the cockpit, so and everything, and also accounting model, licensing model, and everything, and also the basic understanding of the BTP platform, terminologies, pricing models, and the pricing list. Where can I monitor the usage, analytics is, and everything here. So these are all the subtopics in the BTP, like what are the regions are available, and cloud foundry. These are the one of the environment in the BTP. What is the importance of the destinations, cloud connectors, installations, configuration, how to integrate the backend system with the cloud connectors. So BTP security, and also the identity authorization service and everything here, IDP integrations, SSO configuration, Azure AD, Okta integrations, and entitlements, global accounts, sub accounts. And the BTP also, there is a transport management service. In SAP, we have the SAP transport management service. In BTP also, there is a cloud transport management, CTMS service, and what are the other services we have, what is the development tool, what is the build work zone, and Fiori apps configurations for the BTP. And also we have the launchpads, integration suite, configuration, iFlows, workflows, how the developers will build the iFlows and workflows, how they will integrate the PO systems into the our integration suite, and to migrate their scenarios and everything. And also the administration part, what the administration developers will do, cockpits, HANA Cloud. The main important thing is here. So Cloud ALM. Cloud ALM is the one of the go-to ALM for the, so all the monitoring, it kind of a monitoring functionality SAP introduced here, the cloud ALM setup, how to configure the alerts configuration, how to integrate our backend ECC S4 system into the cloud ALM, how to configure the alerts, KPI metrics, alerts configurations, thresholds. So all the dashboards monitoring, each and everything we will cover in our regular classes. And also GUI, MSSO configurations, same normal SSO configuration for the SAP GUI. Also, there is SSO configurations. So these things we will discuss in our regular classes here, right? So in that case, if you more topics are there, we will add more also. But as of now, this is our course content, which we are going to discuss in our regular classes. Okay, so this is the our course content. I will share the course content in the group. Just you can go through it. So then, so that is the main thing here, right? And also the class duration daily 1 hour we will discuss.